Hello, we're going to talk about the 5 themes of geography and also the United States. And this is Mrs. Sturck, and I'm going to help you. The 5 themes of geography. Geography is the study of Earth, including its resources, physical features, people, and climate. When we study a particular country or area, such as the United States, which is where you live, we use the 5 themes of geography: location, place, human environment, interaction, movement, and regions. These themes help us organize and understand important information about our world. Let's see how the 5 themes can help us understand the geography of the United States. Number 1, location. Where is the United States? We can define where the United States is by its absolute location. Absolute location tells exactly where a place is in the world. Geographers use the imaginary lines of longitude and latitude to define absolute location. These are the longitude lines. They go all the way around like this. See? And these are the latitude lines. They go around like this. They go around like that. And that helps us to know how far it is from the North Pole or from the South Pole, and how far it is from the equator. See? This is the equator. It goes all the way around the middle like that. So this is the United States right here. This is where you live in Illinois, and I have a sticker right there for you. And it says about where it's at. So it's at about 90 degrees west, boop, and at about 45 degrees north. So that tells you 45 all the way up here, and 90 degrees, that's where that is. That's the absolute location. It tells you if I have those numbers, then I can say where it is. We can also define a place by using its relative or general location. Relative location tells you where a place is in relation to other places nearby. The cardinal points of east, west, north, and south also show a place's relative location. So this is a compass rose, and it tells you north, south, east, west. Remember, I was saying this is how far north you are, is close to the North Pole. How south you are is close to the South Pole. This direction over here is east if we go this way, and this is west if we go this way. And here's one too. So let's look over here. What is north of the United States? Well, north would be this way. So that would be Canada is north of the United States. What's south of the United States is Mexico is south. Also, Brazil is south of the United States. What is east of the United States? Well, the Atlantic Ocean is east. If we keep on going, then all these countries are east. Okay. The next one is place. What is the United States like? To really know the United States, we need to look at its physical and human features. The physical features include landforms, natural resources, bodies of water, climate, and plant and animal life. The human features, such as cities, buildings, and government, have been created by people. So we were talking about this with Waterman and Shabana, that, well, are there mountains? Are there oceans? What are around our 2 little towns here? Well, lots of farms, and it's flat, and there is Shabana Lake. Okay, The next one is human-environment interaction. How do the people and the environment of the United States affect each other? Human-environment interaction explains how people have adapted to or changed to suit the environment. This theme also explains how people have changed their environments to meet their needs. So we were talking about how if you go somewhere that's not good weather, where it's very dry, then you can't build farms there. But people have built a lot of farms around Shabana and Waterman.
May I have your attention,
Whoops.
please?
Oh, sorry about that little interruption. Number 4 is movement. How do people, goods, and ideas get from place to place in the United States? Movement explains how products, people, and ideas move around the country. It can also show how they move from the United States to other countries in the world. So, one of the ways that things get around here is with a train. There's a train that goes through Waterman. And also there's trucks that come through town to deliver things to the candle company and to Casey's and things. So that's one way that things move. In the United States, things get in and out of here from boats, from airplanes, from traveling from trucks and trains. And the last one is regions. What does the United States have in common with other places around the world? What do the places within the United States have in common to make them part of a region? When a place is considered part of a region, it shares certain features with other places within that region. These features are physical and or cultural. They include landforms and types of government. So I think it's easier to understand regions when we talk about like the states. So, for example, here's the United States here, and then here it is here. So Illinois is where we live, right? We're in the region of the Midwest, which includes all these states over here. And a lot of these states share things in common. For example, in Illinois and in Iowa, there's a lot of farms, and the land looks very similar. There's also a lot of farms in Indiana. Okay, I hope that helps and that you have a better idea of what the 5 themes are. Remember, the 5 themes are location, place, human-environment interaction, movement, and regions.